All right, we back once again with Tickeron video. We're going to go over the portfolio wizard for beginners. And so what they have here is basically if you're trying to develop your own portfolio, there's a nice little way to do that with just a few questions. And what's basically going to happen is you follow these instructions, and then you're going to verify the diversification of your portfolio. So it's going to be based off of your age, the risk tolerance, those kind of things, and then the artificial intelligence algorithm is going to give you the allocation, give you the diversification score. So basically, what are you? Are you an active investor, passive investor? I'm just going to use this one because this fits I'm actually 36 to 50 at this point, but analyze my existing portfolio, or you can allocate cash or allocate your 401k or anything like that. So at this point, I'm just going to do an allocation of cash. Let's just call it 25,000. And then what are your asset classes? What do you want to be invested in? I just want stocks. I don't necessarily want to mix it up too much. I want just stocks. So I'm a little bit on the riskier side. I think so. Let's see, hit next. There we go. So select your diversification score. So basically what we want is a score. So what do we want essentially here? Do we want to be super diversified or not as much? I'm just going to go with, we'll see what happens. If I go to 850, it's actually giving me 4 positions. So we'll keep it there. That's actually, I like this little chart here. It's going to give me the excellent. So pretty nice. So I'm going through this. I've never actually used this before, so you guys are getting this first try here. I'm not going to name it. We'll just leave it there. I'm going to be super aggressive. Years, call it 15. We'll do a non. Kansas, cash reserves, market volatility. We're gonna say market is a little bit more on the volatile side, and no, we're not going to add money. In fact, no, not for this one. So here's the stocks it actually ends up picking up, and then we hit finish. Submit. Finish. Let's let it do its thing here. Now we've got our portfolio passive diversified with an 850 diversification score. Now we can essentially track the performance, the expense ratio, the fundamentals. We can duplicate the portfolio. You can add notes. You can set this up on autopilot where it'll automatically send you alerts and then tell you when things are going to be updated. So you can kind of just let it essentially just be on autopilot. Let the AI kind of manage it for you. And it hasn't bought anything yet. You can get investment ideas. You can do your own investments here. You can get certain metrics. As of right now, we're doing excellent. And then we can kind of track it over time. And you can diversify this however you want. You can add cash. You can copy these to scanners, signals, that kind of stuff. But as of right now, that's how you would set up a beginner portfolio using Tickeron. And yeah, hopefully you like this. Let me know in the comments below.